So the Future Founders Fund is really important for what we want to do at the university for our students. Our students are amazing, they have some really good ideas, they're very entrepreneurial, but sometimes even just small amounts of funding are a barrier to them taking those first steps towards setting up their own businesses. If we can get our students to be really entrepreneurial, really thinking about the future and businesses they might set up, that's amazing for this city and for this region, because not only will they find a way to then earn their own living and have their own path that they're going to follow, but these are the people that will be creating jobs for others. It's really exciting, and that's why it's so important to us here. Yeah, so this workshop from Daniela, who's also an entrepreneur, has had her own company, has been through some of the things that they will be going through or are going through, is really, really useful for them, because they can hear it from somebody who's experienced exactly what it is to be a founder. I can tell them, and others can tell them theoretically, but we want them to really hear it for real from people who are doing that. And that's what's going to happen as part of this fund. We're going to bring entrepreneurs, founders, to them to hear it all, the good, the bad and the ugly about setting up their businesses and being an entrepreneur.
There's so many fantastic ideas in this cohort that I'm just really excited about supporting them and really getting them from idea all the way through to pitch, and also like the future of that, what happens in the future. There's so many early stage entrepreneurs that hit a ceiling and they can't get past that ceiling. They're not at the level where they can generate their own finances. They need revenue to make revenue, but they can't make the revenue without the revenue. So actually something like Future Founders Fund, I think, is so powerful in helping to remove that ceiling for the best of them. So those that just need that little bit of extra support, need some extra knowledge, and also need some extra cash to be able to really bring their idea to fruition so that they can start executing at the level that really they need the money to. Birmingham City University has quite a pivotal role in really contributing to the wider ecosystem of kind of founder and startup support. I used to go to Birmingham City University, actually. I did my undergrad and my master's here. And throughout the process of both of my degrees, I felt like I was given a lot of support for my business and business ideas and ventures, etc. And I know many people that have received similar or even more support. So I feel like BCU and Steamhouse in particular are in a really strong position to really contribute positively to the calibre of businesses in Birmingham by really training, supporting and adding value to the students that come through the doors.
So my project is Struct IQ, and it's a digital twin software that uses AI and IoT to detect cracks and failures that could happen potentially in building structures. So BCU supported my ideas, and the fact that they were willing to fund it as well has given me more confidence that it could be a real project and a real idea, a real business.